Hi, it's Keith Bates, CEO of Chainfrog here, and today I thought I would talk about something a bit more controversial, namely AI versus blockchain, and what my take on those two different technologies is. So starting with AI, that's something that I see as a natural progression of automation of labour by humanity. And what I'm thinking here is that, the assembly line replaced the craftsman or artisan, and then robots replaced assembly line workers, and that just left jobs that require judgment for human beings. And I think that AI is going to be replacing those jobs. So what I'm thinking here is that we've gone to a lot of effort in our factories to make sure that everything is sort of ordered and predictable so that machines can actually work on the stuff. But of course the real world is chaotic and messy, and AI's pattern recognition abilities would allow it to step in and replace human beings there. Similarly, for example, if you look at a monorail with predictable stops and unimpeded track to run on, that can be done automatically, and AI allows us to extend that on to having driverless cars or trucks. With that in mind, the business cases are very, very clear. You can see who you're going to replace, you can work out how much you're going to save, what efficiencies there are going to be, and I think this is the reason why AI patents are now selling for 7-figure sums and AI startups are going for 8 or 9-figure sums. And we here in the blockchain world can, at the moment, only look on in envy at those kind of figures. So now moving on to blockchain, it's tackling a totally different area. It's not looking to replace individuals, it's looking to change the way that we work cooperatively. And this, I think, is a significant thing, because it's human beings' ability to cooperate and work as teams, even when the members of the team have different ultimate aims. That's what allows us to sort of rise above the other animals on this planet and achieve the stuff that we've achieved. So if you look at the way we rank professions based on how much we pay them, you kind of have bankers at the top, and then you have lawyers, then doctors, teachers, truck drivers, taxi drivers, and then factory workers. And so as I see it, AI is looking to replace people at the bottom end of that, the factory workers, the drivers, possibly even moving into medicine with automatic illness diagnosis, whereas blockchain is looking to replace the people at the top of that list. So bankers, in the form of automating financial transactions, making them run quicker and more efficiently and cheaper, and also lawyers, because although TV would make you think that lawyers spend most of their time either prosecuting or defending criminals, in fact most lawyers out there are involved in corporate law and are basically drafting contracts to ensure that different companies can cooperate and work together, and to safeguard against anything going wrong in those kind of collaborations. So blockchain is looking to replace some of the people at the top of the pay scale. So I think you can see where I'm going with this, which is that yes, at the moment AI may be the gold mine, but I believe that in the long run blockchain will overtake it, because I think it's going to have a much more significant impact on the higher paid professions. Anyway, that's just my opinion. If you have an opinion, please feel free to leave a comment about it below, and I'll get back to you on that. So bye for now.